All right, good morning, y'all. Malt City Angler, man. I am with you guys again today, yo. And this is what we're gonna be doing today, man. We back out here on this Raw Palm Canal. Hopefully we can catch a couple, man. It's about 8:30 in the morning. I did sleep in this morning, man. I definitely slept in this morning. But 8:30 is still early, man. So I'm sure some people are still sleeping. Uh, But we're gonna get to it, y'all, man. So the plan today is to get out here. I got Hot Boy coming in a little bit. He's a good friend of mine. We're from the same area. He's definitely a brother. And we're gonna fish a little bit this afternoon, or later on this morning. But I'm gonna throw some chatterbaits around. I'm gonna throw some jigs around. I'm gonna throw some Cincos around. And I also have a crankbait tied up, man. So y'all stay with me. It should be fun. Better.
Yeah.
All right, y'all. Y'all know what time it is. It's that big ace boy time. This little area right here, man, that I'm in right now, this little area that I'm in right now, man, it looks like a really good area. I've definitely got more bites on the outside, in the actual channel, than I have out here. I don't know why it's that though, because it looks like a really good spot, man. It's a very closed-in, protected bank. I would like to think this bank is protected. Got some nice current going in there. This water, the level in this water, the lake level, canal level, have definitely gone up a little bit. This water is definitely deeper than what it was last time I was here. Definitely deeper than the last time I was here. But yeah, guys, man, I got a subscriber day tomorrow. Super excited about that. We'll be out there on Lake Okeechobee. I get to take another subscriber out. So I'm really excited about that, man. If you want to get together at some point, man, and have a subscriber day with me where we go out and spend a couple hours on the lake and hopefully catch us some big fish and, enjoy some good fellowship, conversation, and talk that's positive, get with me. Shoot me an email, comment below. Like, share, man. Like and share. Like and share. And also subscribe. All that good support is all welcome, man. So definitely do that for me. Hit that subscribe button. Hit that like button. Comment below. Comment below, man. I really appreciate it, guys. Really appreciate it, man. But don't forget the hats are in. Sorry, I got glasses on. Don't forget the hats are in. Monk City Angling. Monk City MCA Fishing 21. Got a new logo design for the t-shirts. So definitely check it out, man. I went with a little something that's had a little bit more swag to it, you feel me? A little bit more swag to it, but check it out, man. I think y'all like it. It's dope. I think I just got a bite, bro. I ain't really feeling this channel though, man. It looks like a good channel though. Picked up that good old spinnerbait, y'all. Got a nice little current going into this bank over here. I really probably should have picked up a chatterbait, but I got the spinning bait tied on, so I'm gonna stick with it. But here's my plan. My plan is to get out here and catch me at least out of 5 fish, at least come home with probably 10 pounds out of here. I fished this canal a couple times. I've seen a couple big bass, but I hadn't really caught any. Last time I was out here, we were able to get a 4.5, 5 out of here. So that tells me that they do have, there's some definitely here. But I take 5 for about 10, 11 pounds a day. I feel like that would be a good day. Hey guys, don't forget the program, man. Don't forget the Junior Angler program that's coming this summer. Super excited about that, man. We're gonna have it 2 or 3 days out the week. 2 of those days are gonna be 2 back-to-back days. And then maybe 1 day from the weekend, looking at maybe Saturday, every other Saturday is what it's looking like right now, pending tournaments. So I'm super excited about that, guys. Super, super, super excited about it. I hope you guys get your kids prepared, man. I hope it's gonna be an awesome deal. Visit the website for more information. It's builttolast21.com. Check it out, man. Please check it out. Check it out. Got a lot of good things going. Again, man, I ain't got not one bite yet, though. What? Rattle trap type action. What color that is? Huh? Black and gray?
What? Live target golden shine.
Live target golden shine.
Fly out there.
I don't know, you might put them back in your book bag. Small little, probably pound.
Trick,
I boy got out here on that lipless, that old rattle trout. What kind of one?
Live target golden shine.
Live target golden shiner, man. Hey man, we still out here on the Raw Palm Canal, man. I ain't really having a whole lot of luck though. These bites are far, far, far in between right now. Hopefully, man, we can get a couple, man. We heading back in. Hope we can bring in a couple. Maybe I need to pick up me a rattle trap, bro. I'm gonna still keep rocking with this Senko for a little bit. I think that Senko bite gonna pick up. Y'all stay tuned. Nice one right here, y'all. He came out of nowhere. Healthy too, got a little belly on it. Nice one, eh? I got happy. I got excited, y'all. I got excited. I got excited too fast, y'all. I really feel like we're in there. I really feel like we're in there. See, I don't know if you guys can see this, but this is a great area to pick up your little flipping preacher bait. Pick up your little flipping preacher bait and toss it every last hole you can get that bait in. Toss that thing in every last hole you can every last hole you can put it in. You want to put that bait in there. The tightest spots, whatever, you want to throw that bait in there. And you can get the any type of preacher bait. It really doesn't matter what you use. I use Ray Craws, black and blue, green pumpkin, watermelon red. You know, June bug color. Any color like that. Any color like that. Sometimes you gotta put that bait in some very tough spots in order to get that bite you're looking for. I believe I missed that fish because I did that like that, but gotta own it, right? See, now I'm on this side of it. Me being on this side of it gives me the opportunity to fish. This side is coming from a different angle. Sometimes it's about how you bring that bait across that fish face. One thing I always tell people, man, never get caught up into one particular style of fishing. Definitely you want to have your go-to, but you also want to be able to... Oh, got to keep tips for y'all right quick. Quick tip. So, I got a creature bait, right? I got a 4-out hook, I got a 316 tungsten weight, and I got a bobber stopper. Sorry about that, guys. Dump truck just passed me. All right, so I got a bobber stopper. The bobber stopper is probably the most crucial part to this particular setup is because that hook is pegged. That hook is pegged, which means my weight doesn't move. It stays in one spot. I think that's a cool deal. But here's what I'm doing. I'm flipping that bait into any little grassy hole I can find over there. What's going on, man? Any little grassy hole I can find over there. I'm trying to put that bait in that hole. And I just let it fall. That 3/16 so good, I don't really have to necessarily work that bait that much because it does all the action. It gives it all the action on the fall. So I don't have to do a whole lot.